If you've come across Lekxagabo.com while searching for Halloween goodies, you might be wondering, is this festive-looking online shop a hidden gem or just another seasonal scam? At first glance, the website looks fun and loaded with spooky charm. From creepy decorations and Halloween lights to quirky gifts and themed toys, it gives off the vibe of a one-stop shop for all your October thrills. It even claims to offer unique products that are perfect for every haunted celebration. But here's where things get a bit tricky. Lekxagabo.com was registered in August 2023, which means it's still a fairly new website. While a fresh domain doesn't automatically mean it's a scam, it does raise some questions about how trustworthy it really is. The site showcases a massive variety of products, which seems impressive, but when digging deeper, there's little to no information about who owns or operates the store. No founder details, no real company address, and no solid background info. That's always a red flag for any online shopper. On Trustpilot, Lekxagabo holds a 2.9-star rating, but with just 2 reviews, both negative, mentioning poor quality, damaged items, and refund issues. Customer service also appears limited, with no clear contact number or responsive support system in place. Some product reviews on their website look suspiciously perfect, often repeating the same style of writing, which could mean they're not genuine. On the positive side, their catalog is diverse and visually appealing, which might attract buyers looking for variety. Still, the lack of transparency and mixed feedback makes this one a tough call. So, while Lekxagabo.com might deliver your spooky decorations on time, it's equally possible you could end up with a Halloween horror story of your own.